Yes guys, the title is true. It's not a clickbait. This is a video of my productive day in a life. There is an explanation and a story on how I tried to get into NFTs. If you're new to the channel guys, my name is Alec. I'm a 23-year-old barbershop owner here in Edmonton, Alberta. The Road to a Milli series is where I share my story on how I become a millionaire. We started off being in debt $37,000 because I took a loan for my barbershop. And now we're down to about 20k of debt, about 9 episodes in. My goal for this series is to hopefully share my lessons and also get accountability from you guys, from the audience, to start the right habits and to also make the right financial decisions. This video is my productive day. Obviously my everyday is not gonna look like this, and this was before my ACL surgery. But yeah, the NFT explanation hopefully teaches you guys about NFTs, so please don't skip that part. I think I explained it really well. If not, just let me know down below. Day in a life. I did wake up pretty early, 5 a.m, took my supplements, read a few pages of this book. Worked on the business a little bit, just checked on Google My Business. My girlfriend's a nurse and she starts work at 7 a.m. Had to go drive her and get her Tims. As I'm driving, I'm listening to Alex Hormozzi's videos because he's a fucking awesome guy, bro. Right here it says work more on the business, make content. Alright guys, as you can tell by the title, I spent $5,900 on some NFTs. You can't really tell if I took an L yet, but it's looking like I took an L. But I'm gonna tell you guys how it went down. I'm gonna show you which NFTs I bought. If you don't know what NFTs are, I'm actually gonna explain real quick how I understand it. Obviously, this is not a financial advice. Don't take my word for it. Do your own research. I'm super new into it. I just did a little bit of research, listened to Gary Vee, freaking. You know, I don't go too crazy. I don't go on like Google, YouTube. I don't read too much shit about it. But yeah, do your own research. Pretty much how it works is, you know how people collect baseball cards, Pokemon cards, action figures, anything that has like value, even though it's just a collectible. For example, like Pokemon cards now, a lot of people are collecting those. The problem with collecting physical products is, first of all, Pokemon, like Pokemon company, I don't know what company it is, they have to make the actual physical product, which costs them, I don't know, probably super cheap, and then they have to sell it. The main problem with this is people can fake it. There's so many fakes out there, not even just with cards, with action figures, with watches, with the blockchain, with the NFTs. When you buy something, it's actually like the best way to authenticate that you have it. There's so many scammers on it now though, but there's just gonna come with anything new. It's just the bad and the good things will come with it. But yeah, when you own and collect an NFT, nobody can fake it. Like, it's yours. Like, it's super secured, it's authenticated, it comes with like a contract. Some people joke around, oh, I can just screenshot it and then it's mine. But yeah, you can also take a picture of that Pokemon card, post it on your profile picture. It doesn't mean it's yours. With NFTs, you can actually go to their profile on the blockchain or whatever. You can see if they actually own it. You can like confirm. So how can businesses, how can companies use NFTs to grow their companies? Let's say Nike. What they use is Discord. I don't know why they use Discord, but obviously like with Yeezys and stuff, they don't release like millions pairs. That will just drive the value down. So what they do is, let's say they want to release 500 NFTs of this, they actually handpick the truest fans, like the real fans, and they do that by going on Discord. They're seeing who actually engages in the Discords, and they put them on the whitelist. So let's say there's like 500,000 people on that Discord, and the true 500 people are always engaging, always this, always that, spending so much time on their Discord. They're most likely to get picked. But like, my opinion on that is you can easily rig that. Let's say you knew someone that was working and handpicking these people. Obviously they're gonna come out with better solutions, this and that, and I don't fully know all the ways that they whitelist or they pick. Their main goal is to just sell it to the people that will actually keep those NFTs long term. But as you know, people are just going on Discords, faking conversation just so that they can get whitelisted. Because if 500 people want to buy this NFT, and there's only 500 and you get chosen to buy for like $500, and then obviously sell it back for like 10 times the amount, 20 times the amount. It doesn't matter, it depends. Supply and demand, right? Yeah, that's pretty much how company use NFTs. You can't fake it, like it has to come from them. When companies like Nike release a shoe, bro, the Chinese manufacturers somehow fake them, and anyone can just get that shoe with NFTs. There's no way of doing that. Let's say I wanted to make this, it costs plastic, like I have to pay for the plastic, I have to pay for the factory. NFTs is all online. You don't need to actually have this thing, you know? But I think they have to pay for the coders and the gas fee and shit like that. There's still cost, but it's not as significant as actually making something, because it's just digital. Yeah, that's how NFTs work. I can dig deeper into that and do more research on that, but let me tell you guys what NFTs I bought. Alright guys, so first, how did I get into it? I actually have a friend that made a decent amount of money on it. Me and my friends are all into this one project. We kind of got into it early, at least my friend did, and this is the project, pretty much the beginning of it. Each of these were like going for 1 Ethereum, like the initial launch, because that's the thing with NFTs too, guys. It's not just a picture, it has utilities. So utilities are like benefits. It's like a membership card. You know, a card is not just a card, it has uses to them. So they either have offline utilities or online utilities. Like Coachella, guys, if you get their NFT, now you have access to their concerts lifetime. So those are like the extreme offline utilities that you can get with NFTs. But stuff like this, guys, you have to buy this. See, look, right now the worth is like $100. You buy this, but it's not just a picture of this robot. When you buy it, you can actually stake it. So this is legit. The OpenSea is like the eBay of NFTs. You just download this thing, it's called MetaMask. So you just pretty much download this extension to your Chrome, and then from there you get like a 16-word phrase, and it's like super secured. You know how Facebook and Instagram ask you for email? They don't even do this because they want you to just have a 16-word phrase that you have to remember, and that's your login. You don't even have no password. So make sure nobody knows about that 16-word phrase. From there, I just connected my wallet from my phone. I have like the Newton app, and I added money into this, and then from the money from that, you legit just go here, you buy this. Oh, I don't have enough, right? I did buy it pretty high, bought like 1.2, but I just know I bought a lot and it wasn't this low before. Why would I buy these? They're not unique, right? They just look like fucking weird robots. So actually these, you stake them in the game, like these. They actually mine OGs, so they have online utilities. This is their online utility. They mine for you, but it doesn't actually use your electricity or whatever. Like, do you guys know like mining rigs? Pretty much this is the same concept, but it mines this OG balance. And I think that currency is made by the game developers. I'm not sure, but I just said fuck it, let's try it out. NFTs are, the risk is pretty high, but it's a fun thing that I want to get into, and the potential is high. And I'm a guy that learns from experience, so I can't just learn from not doing it. I have to actually do it myself. I went all out, bro. I said fuck it. So I initially bought like 3 or 4 of these. They're making like 1,000 OGs a day. And how much is per OGs? So this is like where you can convert OGs to Ethereum if you wanted Ethereum. So if you don't know Ethereum too, guys, you gotta do so much research. It's pretty much a cryptocurrency, and that's the currency they use for OpenSea. They have other currencies that they use, but this is the main one. So when they say 0.045 of Ethereum, so that's like $120. This goes up and down depending on the market. OG was going up and down too. It used to be like $100 a day. OG used to be worth way more. So yeah, you go to crafting, and with your OG you can make more NFT. That's why I have so many now. I just kept minting. It's called minting. There's different levels into the game. It's hard to explain. I don't know if I'm making sense to you guys, but yeah. So each of these make OGs, and then you use OG to make more of these. You can either sell them here, or you can just keep making more of them so that it makes more money. And the game has different phases. The next phase is like 1.5 phase. Those robots are gonna make more money, but there's different game plans. There's so many ways to make money off of it, and you just gotta know which ones to invest in, which one not to invest in. But me and my friends are all in this, that's why I'm in it. It's like, yo, if we all lose, we all lose. If one of us win, we all win. My plan is to keep all of my fucking robots. Hopefully later in the game, I can like, you know, make more money off of them. Right now they're making about 2,000 OGs a day. It's like $25 a day. It's not bad. But yeah, that's how I spent like 5,900 because there's so much gas fees. So I bought these, like some of them are like 300-400 each, and then they kind of just made themselves, and then ended up with 14 of them now. This is the only NFT project that I invested in. Hopefully they just keep making money for me. We'll see how this plays out. I'm probably not gonna put in any more money for now. It's just a good way to learn NFTs through this project right here. But yeah, now I gotta go to work, and I'll see you guys there. It's now 9 a.m. I have exactly an hour to get to the shop. I still have to eat, still have to shower, still have to pack lunch. But yeah, I'll cook some breakfast. I was in a rush today. I couldn't pack too much.
Oh!
I couldn't pack too much, you know?
Oh shit!
Just for dessert.
May
Just some bread, yo.
What the
Oh!
Pengi ako!
Sige lang, pare. I brought it, you know. I was in a rush. Can't make it. I gotta just make it here. So, I only did 8 cuts, 1 cancellation. That's why I'm early. We're gonna go to a cafe now. I'm gonna go get Mariel's laptop, and then we're gonna run some ads for Compound. That's more. Yes, but try to be productive for a few hours. Home.
Ilan ba yung SLP mo pare? Sabi ng tropa ko, meron na akong 20,000. Tapos, ilan ba yung ano mo, yung account mo? Ay, meron akong 3. Magkano binagsak mo? Mura lang pare. 750,000.
Uy!
Nakita ko si Heart Evangelista pare.
Tapos sino pa nakita mo doon?
Bro. Catherine Bernardo.
Uy! Okay, no?
Daniel Patillo.
Oh!
Yasi.
Sino nakita mo si Yasi?
Yasi pare.
The singer, songwriters?
Sam Smith.
Sam Smith in the Philippines?
Bro, BGC pare.
What about your meal?
Tara kumain.
Bro, I went to this fucking place, bro. It's called Wolfgang Pare.
Uy!
Shit's so expensive, bro.
How much?
Thousands.
Oh, yeah.